So guys, interested in affiliate marketing, right? So we are going to be looking at a system or a landing page, a tool, how you can start to build a funnel for yourself. And these are the skill sets that are really needed for you to pave the way for dreams to come true if you're interested in affiliate marketing. Guys, welcome to the channel. As I said, my name is David Pinto. They also call me Tips with Dave. And I'm super excited to share this tutorial with you or this explanation with you because sometimes it's hard to find the right tools in order for you to generate the leads and sales in affiliate marketing. One of the things that I always say in all of my videos is that there are phases to affiliate marketing. There's phase one and phase two. But the most important skill set that you need to learn in affiliate marketing is specifically traffic generation. In my opinion, that's the number one element, and that is related to phase one. And in phase two, you start to build out products and services. But in the phase one, you need to know how to capture those leads or those eyeballs and convert them into sales. So today I'm going to show you how to generate something that automates the system, the selling process for you, and then you can actually generate your sales with affiliate marketing. So I'm going to share my screen and jump onto systeme.io, which is the tool that I use in my affiliate marketing journey. Okay, guys, so before I go ahead, I want to let you know that you can feel free to subscribe and hit that bell notification if you find this video very useful. And obviously the link to systeme.io if you want to get started for free is in the description as well. If you want to get started with the paid plans, feel free to go ahead. It's really up to you how you see or where you fit in your journey. Now, I'm not going to go over the pricing or anything like that. I've done an entire overview on my channel right here, guys. You can see the videos on systeme.io, how it is going to be the affiliate hub for myself personally for the next 5, 10, 15, 20 years. As long as I'm alive, I think I'll be using systeme.io. I just love the way it's set up and I love the pricing that's there. So it's just a no-brainer for me personally. I am currently on the free plan. So I've already saved a lot of money because I started off as a complete newbie and I want to show you my method. Okay, so the method to the madness is simply this. Okay, this is how I'm creating my hub. So obviously using systeme.io, and in fact, let me just put that here. Okay, systeme.io is my hub right here. Okay, is really my hub. This is where I create the landing page. This is where I create the thank you page. This is where eventually I can create even an offer. Okay, so it doesn't really need to be only, it can be all of these three things. Systeme.io is potentially a tool that you can use for all of these three things. But I don't want to confuse you with the arrows and stuff like that. I just wanted to show you the basic formula that I use. I basically send traffic. And if you want to also know the traffic source that I'm using, again, I'm using an email marketing traffic source that gives me leads every single day, 100 leads every single day. This is the strategy that I use. And I basically send those leads to a landing page. Let me show you the landing page so you get to see it yourself. This is the landing page. In fact, this is the link that you will find in the description of this video if you're interested in actually checking out how or the product that I'm using with affiliate marketing. Okay. And then it goes to a thank you page. Now, this is a thank you page. Also, again, you'll see this in the description. I have a 20-minute training video free completely for you guys. And if you're interested in the offer, then you can get it. There's some proof and testimonials here in case you want, and then you can get the offer. So that's the 2 pages that I personally have created with systeme.io. All of this, guys, is built on systeme.io for me. So it goes to the landing page. The landing page collects an email address, as you can see right here. And then once they get the email address, the email sends them to the thank you page. So if they by any chance click off the page, then the email will direct them to the thank you page itself. And the landing page also directs them to the thank you page. In that thank you page, as you guys have seen, I have a short video just sharing who I am, what I've done. Even if you have no results, guys, you can utilize the thank you page of your offer. Or you can just create and share the journey of the offer, because in affiliate marketing specifically, I don't share any offers that I personally don't own and that I've not utilized. So I can just talk about why I'm using that offer. You don't need to, show proof of sales and stuff like that. Obviously, when you do get that proof, I would suggest to put it on your thank you page because it gives you more credibility. But if you don't have it in the beginning, that's absolutely fine. You can still just talk about the journey that you're on and why first and foremost they got there. And based on that, you send them to the offer. Now, this offer can be in affiliate market, and in terms of affiliate market, can be in any space, whether there are multiple options for you to start in any passion, in any niche, whatever you would like, honestly. But how do you go about creating this simple sales method for yourself? Now, the reason why I use systeme.io specifically, one is because I can collect the email addresses, two, because I can have unlimited emails that I can send to them, and I can easily build 3 sales funnels completely for free. So this whole process is called a sales funnel, and I can build it completely for free. I don't need to pay anything. So this is why I personally have systeme.io. And again, guys, if you're interested in getting systeme.io, it's going to be the first link in the description if you want that. Okay. So I basically got started for free. Let me show you very clearly that I'm on the free plan right here. You can see. Okay. And I'm really liking the setup that they've done here right now. This is my current plan. I have 48 contacts. That's all. Okay. Out of 2000, I have really 48 contacts. I have only one sales funnel, 2 steps. So I've kept this really simple. And I've also created myself a blog, because why not utilize this tool to the full potential that I can, and start to generate, multiple traffic sources for free and paid also. So I'm utilizing this tool to the most that I can. That being said, as you can see, I just have one sales funnel. I don't complicate it, guys. I can make 3, but I have just one. And this is the one that I have right here. It has 2 steps, a landing page and a thank you page. The landing page, after it's done, basically the next step, it goes to the thank you page. Okay, so to create this is very simple. And in fact, I'm going to do that just to show you guys. Okay, all you need to do after you get your account is you go to funnels right here. Okay, and create, and click on create. Then you can name your funnel. You'll get an automatic domain. If you want to change this, there is a whole article. You can just go to the help section right here and change this. I personally have my own domain. Otherwise, you get a default. But I own my own domain, so I'd rather put it to my own domain. Otherwise, you can use this default system one. And you can always change it at any time, guys. If you start off with the system one, it's fine. And then you get your domain, you can add it here and you can change it. That's what I did personally. And yes, in this case, I would go with build an audience. Okay, name your funnel. So for now, I'll just put test. And here you can select your, it doesn't really matter, but I'm in Europe, so I just saved it as Euro. And there you go. You have your funnel here. When you have your funnel, it automatically, sorry, let me go back. Actually, I will create it again because I want to show you. Let's delete this. Let's deactivate it completely, confirm, and settings, and how to, yeah, I guess this is all I need to do. Let's refresh my page. It should disappear. Perfect. Create, name the funnel, so test. And in this scenario, I'm basically creating a landing page. So I'm building an audience for myself. So I'm collecting the email address as the main. Otherwise, you can click on sell a product if you're creating a product, or you can do something from scratch. I personally click on build an audience because that's the primary reason why I'm using this software. Okay, so the test one is created. Obviously, it automatically creates a squeeze page and a thank you page. And it's not created, it just creates the steps for you. The second thing would be to actually go and edit it. And let me just show you. You can obviously preview from any of these. I personally choose something really simple. So for example, I think I went with the most simplest possibility, but it really doesn't matter what you can select. For example, this is just to preview it. This is one of the options. But even if you select one, just to give you an example, you get then taken to a drag and drop editing software within the setup itself. So this is created, okay, and I want to edit it. So I click on this magic wand right here to edit it, because right now, if I view the page, it looks like the preview that we've seen, right? This is how it looks like, which is not our page. We want to edit it. So we go to the magic wand, click on the magic wand, and I personally, this is just me, you can edit it in these places right here, but I personally just go and I just delete everything, guys. Okay, so I go here and I just click on delete because I want to get started from scratch. And for me, less is more, personally. That's just how I see it. So I'm just, as you can see right here, I'm just deleting everything. It doesn't take too much time to delete everything. Why is this? Okay, so let me just scroll up. Give me a second, guys. Yeah, so I can just take the sections itself and just delete them. So I don't need these sections at all. So that's why I'm deleting all of them. Same here. Actually, let's save changes and exit for a second because I think there's something might be slightly wrong. There we go. I don't know what's wrong with the top part of the page, but that's fine. You can still delete all the elements. So basically when you do this, it might take you some time initially. This is why I personally, guys, if you see, no, I don't want to save anything, but when you select, okay, so say you select the thank you page. I'm doing the same thing with the thank you page, but let's delete this step completely. Okay, so I want to delete this step completely. Then I want to add a step. This is just to show you what I mean, okay? Squeeze page, because I don't like how that came out. So I'm just going to do it again. Squeeze page, tap, put it as the first step. So I would pick something really simple, like really, really simple, edit it, as I said. And then you can literally go here and click on, okay, and it goes away. And these are the sections. When it's green, guys, it's the sections. This is so easy to delete all of it. You don't even really have to look at everything together, but it's super easy to delete. Now, obviously, as I mentioned, you can edit it on your own if you want to. That's really up to you. But this is how I personally do it. And then you have drag and drop right here. So for example, if you want a headline and then you want some text after that, you just literally drag and drop. Look how fast it is, okay? Now I do need, for example, I would like, you can have a button, okay? If you want a button, you can put it there. And what I did personally, you can edit all of these things, okay? Or you can have, oh, sorry, let me go back, and you can add a form right here. So let's see, form input. Okay. That's literally it. This, and here you, for example, if you want to edit it, you can just say full width. I'm just showing you how fast it is to create a landing page. Okay. So you can do a test just as a test to show you here, obviously, or click add your email below. Okay, here obviously you want an email, so you can select type and say that you only want an email, and that's it. Placeholder can be enter your email to get access, and then the button, click on the button. Yes, it can go to next step, right? It goes to next step and you get a send form, so that's perfect. Then you edit the text of the button. You can do it here, get instant access. Okay, I would remove the subtext, to be honest. And then we have it. Now, obviously, you can change the colors of this. You can do it as you wish, honestly, really. You can change it as you wish, okay? So you can change the color. You can bold this font if you want. You can do multiple things to the editing of the software now. So say this is the test, okay? So this is how we view it. This is how the email will be, pretty simple. And you have the email that you can add over there, okay? Now let's exit. We've edited that. We have our squeeze page and the thank you page. Let's see the thank you page. So this is the thank you page that I have. First and foremost, I don't want this section right here. Thank you for showing interest, blah, blah, blah. You can add your video and then you can, let's take away this whole section here because, yeah, you can add whatever other information you want. I don't need this section, so let's delete it. And there you have it. Okay, so this, let's say you've saved it, you've edited it, you've added your video here, you have a start button now, etc. And this start button will be basically, you can click on open URL, add the URL that you want to send to. So in this case, just to give you an example, I'm going to put it at my blog. So let's use my, let's use the blog so that you actually see. Okay, so system, I forgot the oops. Let's go to blog. This is the URL of my blog. Perfect. Okay, so I will just show you how it looks and we will send it to the blog so that you have an idea. So this start now, I will edit it and add my URL here and save changes and exit. So basically how it will look is that if somebody enters the email address, okay, they'll enter the email address here, up, get instant access. It goes to the page, you have your video, and then you click start now, and there you have it. You go to the product and offer, and so on and so forth. Okay, so that's the whole step-by-step process. But You saw, guys, in the time that I've actually done this video, I created a funnel for myself. Obviously, it's not optimized, it's not the best, but it's just to show you that it does work. Okay, so if you really want to do this, and you can find it all the sections here, you can see that my email address is here. I have one lead. You can see the sales, so you can see when pages view, statistics of it, everything that's there. Let me show you guys my funnel so that you have an idea of how it looks live. Okay, these are stats, these are my own stats. So I have 7% conversion at the moment. I'm testing things out. Okay, I have a lot of leads. I'm not going to share that with you. I can add a different landing page if I want. Now, for example, just to show you, just to give you an idea, if you create 2 landing pages here, so you just add another step, okay, and then create another landing page, and you can split test. So this tool, personally, creating a landing page and thank you page is super simple. Creating a funnel is super simple. I hope this video, if you need to watch it over and over again, that's absolutely fine. You can use that. I'll be making more trainings so that you understand the tool itself. But you can really use a lot of automations. You can use the step configuration. So for example, the automations, you can add here a rule, and you can say, for example, if once you create an email funnel, which is another video that I'm going to be creating, how to actually create this whole campaign for yourself, email campaign for yourself. Right now, it's just collecting the leads. This is step 1. Okay. Remember, step 1 is to collect those leads, and then the emails is here. I will be making another video regarding that. But guys, if you have any questions regarding systeme.io, how it works, anything like that, obviously I'm not the CEO of the company, but I'm making these tutorial videos for you guys. So let me know if you want me to cover specific content or not in the description, not in the comment section below, sorry, and I will definitely cover it. But you can see how pretty easy it is to build. I love this tool. I spend a lot of time on it to build my entire business. So consider that it's free, and then it makes sense. And then once you start to build your skill sets, you can pay for it if you want to. That's what personally I'm going to be doing. Have a great day, guys. Keep paving the way for your dreams to come true. I hope this video was educational, informative. And if you're interested in systeme.io, the link is in the description of this video. Have a great day. Keep paving the way for your dreams to come true. And I'm going to see you on the next one.